Look at the size on this one. The yield is exceptional.
The refractometer readings are consistent with the high flavor profile we need for the seasoning line.
Raised beds are formed to promote proper onion bulb expansion.
See how the bulb is swelling right here?
Yeah,
right.
Yes, that is exactly what we want. They look very promising.
The key here are these white and pale green lesions. This indicates the early onset of the disease across the crop.
Pest management systems protect onion bulbs from infestation.
Controlled stress techniques enhance onion flavor intensity.
Looks good. We'll start with the reds on the North 40 tomorrow.
Noted. I'll inform the crew.
smaller onions may be allocated for powder production.
Storage humidity prevents onion mold formation.
That white one is incredibly pungent. Look at that, 8.1%.
Interesting. Let's record that immediately.
Approved onion pieces proceed to thermal processing.
To ensure consumer safety, samples are taken from the surface of the onion and plated on a selective medium.
We need to increase the throughput on line 3. I'm making the adjustment now. The speed should optimize immediately.
Onion processing capacity reaches several tons per hour.
Temperature adjustments prevent onion caramelization.
Multi-stage drying preserves onion aroma compounds.
As you can see, the potency is extremely high, fully verified by the GCMS.
Noted. I'll log this immediately.
Anti-caking agents may be blended with onion powder.
Blending drums ensure even distribution of onion granules.
Look at the throughput data here. We're hitting the target. All right, let's log this as a success.
Stability chambers simulate storage conditions.
Here is your final certificate. Congratulations.
Thank you, madam. This means a lot to us.
The manifest confirms 30 pallets of onion seasoning are loaded. We need to adjust the outbound schedule immediately. Inventory levels are fluctuating too quickly.
Try this, madam. The finest onion seasoning, fresh from the source. We ship it all over the world now.
The forecast clearly indicates a sharp increase in demand. We need to expand the planting area shown here to capitalize on the market trend.
Seasonal onion harvests align with processing schedules.
Seasonal onion harvests align with processing schedules. Continuous improvement enhances onion dehydration technology.
Water recycling systems support onion sustainability.
And the flow rate here is consistent with the permit levels we reviewed?
Yes, the digital logs confirm that. We are well within the acceptable discharge limits.
Certification programs like ours ensure the safety and quality of every onion product.
Food safety standards govern the onion processing.
This lot shows a moisture content of 12% on the 5th.
That's outside the acceptable range. Check the corresponding corrective action report.
Excellent. The encapsulation seems stable, but the aroma profile is slightly off.
No. The GC data confirms that. We're seeing the texture profile on this batch is exceptional. The compressive strength is well within the acceptable range.
Noted. I'll log this as approved.
Ella, bitches. This automated line handles up to 500 onions per minute with minimal waste.
That's impressive. What about the power consumption?
The throughput on this sorting line is impressive.
Yes, the automated grading seems very efficient.
Okay, pay close attention to the sorting technique. We must ensure the quality standards are met before packaging.
Predictive maintenance prevents onion equipment downtime.
This cultivar shows excellent resistance to the pink root, and the bulb uniformity is high.
Yield data looks good too. I'll note the skin quality.
Sustainable farming practices enhance onion soil health.
There we are, all signed.
Excellent. We look forward to the next 5 years.
Onion processing volumes reach thousands of tons yearly.
Here you are, the freshest harvest. Wonderful.
I always come back for your onions.
Look at that, 98% efficiency on this run.
What is that?
Excellent. The new configuration is working perfectly, Doctor.
The propyl disulfide levels are still fluctuating here.
Via reorganization, we should proceed with the injection.
Ya está lleno. Carguémoslo rápido. Aún hay más trabajo.
Quality assurance audits protect onion brand integrity.
Customer satisfaction surveys guide onion improvements.
Supply chain resilience secures onion availability.
The demand for the seasoned dishes is through the roof. Keep the onions coming.
Yes, chef.
Food innovation relies heavily on onion flavoring.
Industrial precision preserves the natural power of onions. From the moment they are harvested, these onions go through a meticulous process, ensuring only the finest seasoning reaches your shelf.